Hey guys, thanks for joining me just for a cheeky small unboxing. A new shave. Here we go. I haven't opened it yet. A new soap and splash in the den, just to keep you updated of what's coming in the den. Shaverage. Shaverage we're having is award-winning Black Dragon traditional farmhouse, a Welsh cider, medium dry, and it's 6.5%. You can get the Red Dragon as well. I'm pretty sure it's brewed not too far from here, so we're gonna have that. Mrs. B's popped her head in. Are you getting that festive spirit yet, guys? Halloween is just around the corner. I'm not usually into it, to be honest with you guys, but with the granddaughter, we've made an effort. Cheers, guys. All the best. Oh, it's so nice. It's crisp initially when it goes in your mouth, and then it just smooths out, and it's beautiful. Yeah, got the old pumpkin ready to carve out and put the face on and everything else. Right, here we go. It's just a one splash and one soak, guys. It's just a cheeky video just to keep you updated. Well, that was easy enough. And I got this from Shave Time. I get most of another invoice to keep. Stuart and Scott now. Yeah, it's just I'm gonna stuff these in that pumpkin. Right, what we got? Something ideal for this time of year. Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and it's Harvest Moon. Classic as shaving soap. Blue Jacket Pop Robin 2. Whatever that means, and it's not in the CK6 formula, it's in the original formula. There's the pour. I love the pour on these soaps, the texture. Oh wow. There's a green in there. You can smell the oud, is it? The oud? Tobacco. What put me off this originally was the Hey Absolute scent, because I used to work on a farm when I was a kid. I had a weekend job when I was younger in school, and I got to hate the smell of hay. And then as I grew up, me and my sister, we had horses, and I just didn't like the smell of hay anymore. But it is there, but that is very well rounded, very well blended. There's a bunch of other things in there as well. I'll have to look at the profile properly, but that's what we got, guys. Matching splash. Let's see if we can get the cap off. Usually they come off quite clean, but this one isn't. Oh, it has now. Oh yeah, and apparently as well, the scent is really long lasting. I think Phoenix Artisan aftershaves are long lasting anyway, but looking forward to this. And that's it. It was just a something cheeky, and Mrs. B showed an appearance. You alright, Cass? That's it. I'll see you in the morning for the Friday shave. I've got a really nice shave lined up, and it's a couple of products on loan to me, and I'm really looking forward to using them. So right, I'll see you in the morning. Take care. I've already had a sip. Take care, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Have a good evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. See you guys, stay safe, bye now.